I'm Bob Watson, down here in Key West, Florida, demonstrating my 1935 Maytag washing machine motor powered by gasoline. It's a 3/4 horsepower. Back in the days when the country wasn't fully electrified, they used these on Maytag washing machines. Then they would throw them out, and the kids, the 10, 12, 14-year-old boys, would grab them and make go-karts out of them. It's really a smoker. It's called a hit-and-miss motor. This one here is a single cylinder, but they also made them in dual cylinder, and they made them uprights. And the uprights had what they called the old Mason glass clear jars, and they would use that for the fuel tank in them. Let's see if we can get her to fire up here a little bit. I'm going to kind of give her a kick. Just pulled the wire went against the little metal flap against the spark plug to short it out to stop it. Some of the women would put these in the basement of their houses and run the long tube out the window to keep it quiet, or they'd put the spark arrestor in a bucket of water, and that would keep it quiet. But she always seems to kind of start on first kick, and it's just kind of something really interesting. That's all from Key West.